So I am going to be installing the Mayde Crystal HD Lace Wig Topaz in the copper color. I am first going to go ahead and show you the wig. It is a short mid-back wig. It does come with a T-part, and you have those two combs on the side that we don't really use. The strap, elastic band in the back, and that comb in the back as well to hold it in place. So right here, what I'm going to go ahead and do is put on the wig cap so that we can go ahead and do the bald cap method. So put it on and then cut the ears out. And now that the ears are cut out, I'm going to just go in with the Got To Be spray to form the bald cap. And then the EBIN spray, I was just showing you the Got To Be because I didn't do that. So yeah. And then we're going to blow dry until it's dry. And then we're going to cut the wig cap so that we can get that bald cap set. And I was just pulling it back so that I can get it closer to my hairline and cutting off the excess cap. And then after doing that, going in with the Got To Be spray, spraying it on my finger, and then dabbing it on the edges of the cap where I cut to lay it back down so that you can indeed have that bald cap. And after doing that, I'm going to just blow dry it so that it can lay flat. And after blow drying it, spraying that lace tint so that you can see bald cap laid, looking like a bald. Putting on the wig now, making sure it's secure in the back, flipping it over, and then pulling it up to where I want it so that I can cut the ears off of the wig as you're going to see me do. So right here, I'm just putting the hair back so that I can cut the ears out so it's not in the way. Now that the ears are cut off, what I'm going to go ahead and do is pull the wig back and put on the Bold Hold Active Lace Glue. I'm going to be using 3 layers just so that I can have a secure hold for the wig. So I'm going to go ahead and put on that 3 layers. So there's the first layer. We're going to let it dry until it's clear. Blow dry it. I usually don't blow dry it, but this time I did, so yeah. And now that the 3 layers are on, I am going to pull the wig back up, lay it down, and then after laying it down, I'm going to use the EBIN Lace Bond Melting Spray, spraying it on my finger, and then just putting it where the lace is going to be cut, just so that I can have that good melt. And then after doing that, we're going to lay it down with the lace band and let it sit for about 15-20 minutes. So after it's done melting, I'm gonna take the lace band off. And after taking the lace band off, I am going to cut the lace in the middle and then use my razor to cut the excess lace off. So as you can see, alright, so right here what I'm going to go ahead and do is just put the Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation shade number 12, dabbing it into the lace and then putting that EBIN lace melting spray on it so that it can hide the lace and make it look light skin. We're gonna blow dry it and then again put the lace melting band on it so that it can lay down. And once the band is on there, we're going to leave it on for that 20 minutes. So after taking the band off, just putting the hair back down, brushing it out. And then this is the part we all love to hate to do, which is the baby hairs coming next. So I had to fix that middle part because it was just not giving. So just parting out those baby hairs in the front using the Got To Be black bottle. I forget what it's called right now. So cutting the baby hairs and then using that gel to lay them down and doing the swoop. Using my brush to brush them the way I want them. And then after doing that, now that the baby hairs are down, using the wax stick so that the hair can lay flat. And then after we put that wax on the hair, we're going to go in with a hot comb and just lay that hair down. So using the hot comb everywhere you put the wax so that the hair can indeed lay flat and it looks like your hair and not a wig. Alright, so what I'm going to be doing here is using the LA Colors Pro Conceal Concealer to put in that part just so that it can look like my scalp. So yeah, make it look as natural as possible. And there we have it. So that is the Mayde Crystal HD Lace Wig Topaz in the copper color. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Just showing you the back, what that looks like. It is curly. It does keep the curl. So hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.